So I'm getting heartburn. So somebody's logged on, and I'm being scanned on the chest, but the power turned up. $800 plus on the chest. There's a burning sensation in my stomach and my heart area. Chest. So somebody's logged on, and my chest is being scanned. It's about every 5 minutes again, so it changes. So I just created a video. So it would seem, I think, different people are logged on at the same time if it's global, and they are choosing certain spots in the body to concentrate on. So one might be hitting the knee, the other one might be hitting the chest, the other one might be hitting the eyes. So the power is definitely turned up. See how high, how bright that is? On the chest, right on the heart. Continuous. It's not on and off. See how long it scanned? This is what causes heart palpitations, when the power is turned up and it's left on for a long time. And although I'm exposing it, nothing's being done because I'm a target. It's all fixed, it's all covered, and you're out for disposal. That's why you're flagged. You're turned out for disposal, so nothing is going to be done about it. And of course, the evidence for fixing is nothing is going to be done about it, no matter what you do. It's all fixed. The fact that I'm doing this and nobody's making it stop means it's all fixed. So somebody from the top gave the cover or the command to dispose. And this is how covert system works. No accountability, no courtroom drama, just accumulate a file based on lies and justification for disposal and disposal. You don't need a court. Why due process? You don't have any human rights. You're a target. Who made you a target? I intend to find that out in a court. It's not a threat, it just has to be. That's what we have a legal system for. Who made me a target and why? It started, this file, this police file on me started at 25 Bamberg Circle. I want to know why it started, who started it, and what were the lies that were told to start the file, and why was it piggybacked without giving due process for so long? 2006, 2005.